Hello and welcome back to another episode of One to Step. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for IMDb and how to use it. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and go ahead and press the bell icon since you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. Start by tapping open your web browser and search for imdb.com. Doing so will take you to the official website of IMDb. IMDb is an online database of information related to films, television programs, home videos, video games, and streaming content online. It includes cast, production crew, and personal biographies, plot summaries, trivia, ratings, and fan and critical reviews as well. From the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the Sign In button, and to create or sign up for a new account, tap on Create Account. On the next page, you can create an account by typing in your name first. On the next field, enter your email address. Make sure to type in a valid email address in order to sign up. Move on to the next one and create a password for your account. Make sure to create a password that is at least 8 characters long and type in a strong password for your account. In order to check your password, you can tap on Show Password and reveal your password before moving on. Finally, tap on Create Your IMDb account, and next thing you'll need to do is to verify your email address. Go open your email and you'll be able to see an OTP sent to your email. Simply type in the OTP and tap on Create Your IMDb account. Just with this simple step, you have been signed up to your account. This is the home screen of IMDb. To get started, search for the movie or show on IMDb. Scroll through the home screen and you can see the best TV and movie show to watch. You can tap on Browse our What to Watch page by tapping on this button over here and choose from multitudes of options. You can scroll through fan favorites or top picked movies as well. To search for particular movies, tap on the search button at the upper right corner and search for any movie or show by typing the name, and right below the posters you'll be able to see the options available. Depending on the title, you might be able to stream it with a new existing subscription or rent it, or you can just purchase it. To scroll through the movies category, you can tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left corner, tap on movies and search for movie according to the titles. For example, top rated movies, most popular movies, and so on. That is how you can sign up for IMDb account and scroll through the lists of movies and TV shows. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.